a little shaky. But hopefully tonight is my last night in this bed, because I'm getting a new one and I'm upgrading. So yay me! I've had this bed for over 20 years. I may be exaggerating, but let's just go with 20 years. Stay tuned. Look. This is my last morning in this bed. Like usually, and that's the bed. Hopefully I can find a new mattress. The mattress. We're gonna get all the sheets and stuff. Hopefully I can film for you still, but that's the way. I gotta stick it up. 5 more minutes. Alright, we will. I'm not a morning person. I'm using the Cetaphil Dry to Normal face wash. Now I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer with SPF 15. It's basically a sunscreen. My shoes are from Dillard's. My pants are from Torrid. My sweater is from Academy. The jacket is from American Eagle. My necklace is a gift. And my bracelet is from Earthbound. And here's the whole fit put together. Cute, huh? Ignore my hair. It's fine. My little box spring. Out of breath. Because I will. Full fishy. This back of it. He's out the front. But I can't wait. My friend. I'm upgrading. Can't wait. And it's my new baby. Oh my god, look how big it is. Yeah, it's good for right. If you have to block that little plug, we will block it. I can't wait to sleep on this. I may have one more night in this bed, but I can't wait to sleep in this bed. Here. Just need to add some other stuff. Wait till the end. It looks beautiful for the time being. Here it is with the evening sun. It's so beautiful. Love that evening sun laying on across the bed there. And I will switch that night to stand back to the other window. All I need is some pillows for the shams and a mattress pad and a mattress skirt. My first night in a full bed. I've never had a full bed before. I've had a queen, but not a full. I'm used to that word. I'll get one eventually. But, yeah. Little blanket from KIRKLANDS. That's a little better. I'll get you a better idea. Yeah, I've been sleeping on a twin bed for a real long time. But hopefully this full will make my back feel better. I've been on a twin. It's getting small on me. My legs will like fall off. I was saying, my legs will fall off the edges. And I have a full bed, and I will show you what my legs look like right now. Sorry for the close-up. And I don't know if you can see the iPad, but I'm watching Carlene. Carlene, there's the edge of my bed. There's my little feet. Hold on. There's my little feet. The whole thing. Go. Come right up. Get my feet out. There we go. And that's my feet. Those are the feet talks. Can you see in the mirror? Nope. Yeah. But I am full. Ignore the mess over there. Clean it later. So cozy. Yeah, I got new sheets, new pillows. I'm gonna look for a skirt to go underneath on the box spring. And other pillows for the shams. So I'm just using this guy for my headboards. And I'll show you the rest later in all its glory. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah, I really hope this makes my back feel better. Then again, my back may always hurt. Because, like, throughout my life, I've, like, fallen and, like, twisted my back. Like, I'm gonna say it for a story time. Say that for a story time. Go to my main channel for story time. Okay, this is mainly, like, makeovers and stuff. So, yeah. Stay tuned. Slept good. Better than me there. And I knocked my blanket over. Oh no, it's right there. Okay. There it is. I thought I knocked it over. But I'm going to show you how far my feet go. Sorry for the close up. I just woke up. I should have been up, but you get the chill. Finally. There we go. Much better. You can see underneath. What's that? Did you guys see that? I have an angel beside me. But that's how far down my feet goes. So cozy. Night night. Go to night. Go back to bed. It's Sunday. It's the day of resting.